Hello, everybody. It's Tiny Trapped in a Box, Mr. McKinley, bringing you the animals of the rainforest. Now, this is to support the science. There's another video for science. Hopefully, you've seen. This is to support that. You don't need to use this if you don't want to, which I hope that I say in the science video. But yeah, this is just if you like. These are not the animals you have to study. You have to do research on. You have to do things on. These are just some ideas to help you get started, should you wish. Right, let's have a look. Animals of the rainforest. Right, so here are some animals found in the Amazon rainforest. So the red-eyed tree frog, scarlet macaw, the emerald tree boa, and the jaguar. So the emerald tree boa. The emerald tree boa is a non-venomous snake which is often found in the Amazon rainforest. Appearance: emerald tree boas are bright green with a yellow underside. They have an irregular zigzag pattern along their back. Adult emerald tree boas can grow to reach up to 2 meters. Taller than me. If I was lying down, you know what I mean. They have a pair of long, sharp teeth pointed backwards. Their heads are relatively large and flat. Diet: they feed mostly on small mammals such as rats, bats, and possums. Habitat: emerald tree boas live in the trees of the Amazon rainforest. They can also often be found near rivers, swamps, but are not determined. Red-eyed tree frog. The red-eyed tree frog is just one of many species of frog that live in the rainforest. Appearance: they're known for having huge, bright red eyes. The rest of their body is neon green with blue and yellow at the sides. They have especially adapted suction-cup toes, which help them to cling onto tree branches and leaves. Diet: the red-eyed tree frog's prey includes moths, crickets, flies, and grasshoppers. Habitat: they're commonly found in the tropical lowland rainforests. They commonly inhabit areas close to rivers or ponds. Scarlet macaw. Scarlet macaw is one of at least 17 known species of macaw, most intelligent social birds. Appearance: despite their name, scarlet macaws are multicolored, red, yellow, and blue. They have large, powerful beaks. Their bodies are between 80 centimeters to 90 centimeters long. He says, reaching for a meter stick. So, meter stick, so about, I mean, this is essentially meaningless, isn't it? It's big. They're pretty big for a bird, is what I'm trying to get across. Diet: they mostly eat fruit, seeds, or nuts, but can also eat insects. Habitat: they live in the tropical, humid atmosphere of the rainforest. They're usually found in the emergent or canopy layers of the jaguar. The jaguar is a member of the wild cat family that can be found in the rainforest regions. Appearance: they are famous for their beautiful spotted coats. They can reach up to 6 feet in length, which is basically me, from their nose to the tip of their tail. Okay, I don't have a tail. Okay, so not quite me. They have powerful jaws and sharp teeth. Diet: jaguars are carnivores with an extensive list of possible meals, including squirrels, deer, and monkeys. Habitat: jaguars are found in rainforests as well as grassland and wood. They spend much of their time on the ground or the forest floor, padded paws to stalk quietly through the undergrowth. How do these animals survive in the Amazon rainforest? Let's have a look at jaguars. Jaguars have a long, strong tail that helps them balance and change direction quickly when running. They can climb trees to catch food and slip away from predators. They're good swimmers, which allows them to hunt and catch prey that live in the water or on the other side of the river. This also helps them cool down in the heat. Over here, the green box. Jaguars have extremely strong jaws, allowing them to bite and kill their prey more efficiently than any big cat. They have padded paws that allow them to walk quietly through the rainforest. They also have excellent eyesight, making them good hunters. They're mainly nocturnal, which also helps them have the advantage whilst hunting. Their colourful patterned fur acts as camouflage. They're very diet, ranging from snails to monkeys. I mean, they really struggle to. Your mission: choose an animal and find out how it survives in the Amazon. So toucan, play that game. Spider monkey, sorry, that was terrible. Anaconda, piranha, and a scarlet macaw. So you could choose one of these monkeys. Choose one of these animals. You can see which one I'm drawn to. Monkey. Choose one of these animals, including the monkey, and figure out how it survives in the Amazon. So this is, if we were doing this in school, we would get some rainforest books out, go to some sort of child-friendly Amazon fact websites, have those up on iPads or something so the children can look through those, and kind of do it like that. And remember, this unit would normally be done at the end of the summer when a lot of the children are going to be even more fluent at reading and researching than they are now. We moved it. I don't know if I said anywhere else why we moved it, because we thought this unit would be much easier to do at home. Because the other units that are coming up are at the Great Fire of London and Crystal Palace, and a lot of those involve trips out, which Touchwood will still be able to do at some point, or at least some of them in some way. So yeah, so we would have books, we'd have internet sites open, and the children could go and look at that and try to figure out how they survive. Because this is science, part of the national curriculum science is to do with how animals are suited to their habitat. And if an animal is suited to its habitat, it's able to survive there. So how have the animals sort of evolved, been evolved, I guess, by their environment to be well suited to live in the Amazon? So do a bit of research, not just about the animal itself, although obviously that's very interesting for all of them, really. But how are they able to survive? How are they able to find food? How are they able to find food? That's a key one. That's a really big one. And how are they able to avoid predators? I think those are the two biggest ones in terms of survival. How to eat and not be eaten effectively. So what advantages do they have? Think about how they're able to move, where they're able to move, where they sleep, and where they might find their food. Some of those questions may help you. But yeah, think about how it survives. That's really important, the survival bit. Not just, but I'm sure there's great facts about the anaconda. It's, yay meters long. It starred in a terrible film with, was it John Voight or something like that? The spider monkey, not a spider. You can get some facts. They're interesting enough facts, but they don't tell us about the survival. So that's really what we're after. That's really what we're after. So have a crack at that, and then write down what you found either into your exercise book, or if you're going to use this for the computing lesson, you can do a bit of typing, hopefully, and put this into maybe a PowerPoint. Or a Word document. So there you go. That is science. That is science. We'll be going over all this again in class. So don't worry if this is a bit much. You don't feel that you're equipped to do this, either because a lot of people, I mean, most people, I don't have any books on the rainforest at home, I don't think. Not the ones I can use for research, but there is the internet. If you can't do it, it's not a problem, because we'll be going over this again in school. So, choose an animal. How does it survive in the Amazon? What are the key features of its body, of its abilities that allows it to survive in the Amazon? Hopefully that all makes sense. And we have this snake to say, I am a snake. I am a snake.